Stand by. Show clear. Get clear, hammer down. Stand by. Stand by.
That looks like a neon sign to him.
Show clear. Clear. Range is clear. 20.04. Are you ready? Stand by. Stand by.
Instead of being like this, it's probably like that.
If you're finished, show clear. Clear, hammer down. Holster. Range is clear. Time 6:25.
See how much different it is with the dot that low?
Yeah, but it's better than the real traditional.
Yeah, I keep looking for it up real high.
Yeah.
Your thumb can stay on the safety when you come down and click it off and use it as a rest.
Yeah.
All you got to do to put the safety back on is just rock your thumb.
Nice, Ken.
What if I go ahead?
Yep, beep.
Wow. Wow, that's the recoil, yeah.